Basically, photo restoration means removing three major things from the image. Firstly, blurriness. Secondly, cracks. And thirdly, unwanted parts. And in this way, you can reborn your image. But how to do it? Well, you can do this with Photoshop by spending a lot of time and hard work, of course. Or you can relax and have the AI software take care of this. I know you choose the lazy one because you guys are. But which AI should you use? There are a lot of websites that will help you to remove irregularities from the image. But after trying a lot of them, I find some of the most useful websites that are also free. Let me show you. I am using this image because this is one of the worst case scenarios. It is blur, have cracks, and also missing some parts. Let's start with some basic adjustments. I am using auto tone. Firstly, I like to upscale the image. This will give us a clear base. I am using Let's Enhance.io. This is the best image upscaler of all. You have to sign in, so I prefer to use the temp mail. Upload your image and choose from these options. And start it. This is the result. Now for face enhancement, I am going to use restorephotos.io. This is also really cool. Upload your image. And there we go. But here we get a watermark. Don't worry, press M and select this area. Then press Shift plus backspace. Select content aware. And that's it. Or if you don't want to use Photoshop, you can try watermark remover online. Check this out. Amazed? No, just wait for the next AI software. Now I am going to remove these cracks. It is Replicate website from Microsoft. You can get the link from the description. In the demo section, submit your image. But don't forget to hit the like button. I mean the scratch option. This automatically detects the cracks in your image. Just wait for it. And just amazing. At this point, I prefer you to compress your image size. This will help in further processing. I am going to apply face restoration on it one more time. Before and after. For further enhancement, I am going to Vance AI Restorer. Upload and sleep for a while because this will take some time. There we go. Now you can figure out that these websites are mostly working on face. So for clothing and background, you have to do it manually. Like this. Or you can simply just change them. I hope he doesn't mind. For removing background, you can use Photoshop or you can use Pickwish. Unlike remove.bg, it doesn't reduce your image quality. Give him a background and that's it. Our image is ready. I know, we have to go through a lot of websites to gain this. But you don't have to, because remember, this is the worst case scenario. Mostly, I face images like this, which can be corrected after going through 2 or 3 of these websites. If you have any questions, just write them down. Or if you need my help, you will find me on Facebook. Wait, I think I am forgetting something. Yeah, colorizing. Use the palette app. After colorizing, come to your Photoshop. Place the colored image on top and change its blending mode to color, and that's it. This is a professional way to do this. And you can also edit it by masking. And that is it. Now you can restore your image, even the worst one. But don't you think that you are forgetting something?
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work 'cause my